How to pay Shopee SpayLater using Landbank mobile banking app. Step 1. Get your Shopee Pay QR code. Open the Shopee app. Tap Me in the main menu. Tap SpayLater. Tap Pay Bill. Tap Pay Now. Tap Payment Method. Tap InstaPay. Tap Confirm. Tap Pay Now. The screen will show a QR code. Tap Save QR code or do a screenshot. Step 2. Pay via QR code in the Landbank app. Open the Landbank mobile banking app and log in. In the main menu, tap the QR code icon. Select QR from Photos. Upload the QR code. The Shopee Pay account details should appear automatically. Review the transaction. Tap Pay Now. Tap Confirm. Enter the OTP one-time password to complete the payment. Step 3. Verify the transaction. Open the Shopee app and go to SpayLater. Tap Transaction and verify it. That's it. Hope it helps.